Alright, I'm designing Logica for today, and I want us to focus on something. And our first assignment, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so and like the video and comment. And I'm sure that you will help somebody too. Now let's start fast. We're starting with 10 by 10 inches. Everything, we know everything by now. So let's go. Unlock this, create solid background, and the color that I choose was something here, but this one I want to be a little. Choose the one that you prefer. And then you know how to please and embed it. This is it. But then I think we did something here, so let's come here a little bit and then create a new layer on it. Select the brush tool, make sure that this is white, increase the size here, or you press the shape. You see that shape that I'm pressing in the size button? Yeah, you can press that shape. If you press that shape, it will be increasing, and the other side bracket will be the square bracket. Yeah, so let me hit here. One is okay, and then let's reduce this one, soft color. Okay, and then let's place this one on. So you can first decide to do the background before you bring this one in. Everything is fine. And then you bring your shape, white color, select the shape, come to properties. If you have not enabled the properties, I have already showed you how to enable the properties, but just to remember you, make it go a little bit. Then you go for the text, open a new layer and test the design Logica. Control E, or you click and drag to reduce the sizes, change the color. Which color did you use for that one? I don't know, forgot it. So let's do it this way for this one. Design Logica. And then the next thing that I brought was this on it like this. Make sure that you have not brought it here. You have not brought it here. Make sure that you are bringing it here. Bring it to the downward, and then filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and blur it a little bit. See? So make it something like this. And click OK. Click on this. Control A, Control D to deselect, or click on this, then select all, and then click here, and then click here to center it. D, Control D. So I think now this is okay. Shift, export PNG first trial. make sure that you first save it as either TIFF or PSD. I think I've told you that. So immediately you start, save it before maybe if your machine will go off or something will happen. So immediately you start the work, save it before you move forward. Thank you. God bless you.